planning to post gossip, rumors, or blind item on social media? Let's talk about libel. Hi, I'm Hazel, a certified tita and a public relations master student in AIJC. Let me share with you what I learned in law and ethics class. So I know this is a serious subject matter, so let's talk about it while I'm retouching my makeup.
Yes!
So ask these four questions. There are four elements sa libel. Okay, number one question. Does the post damage the person's reputation? So think about it. So number two, is the content accessible to the public? And number three, even without mentioning, is it clear who the post is referring to? And number four, was there an intention to embarrass, attack, or harm the person? If you answered yes to the four questions, there is a strong possibility that your post is libelous. Yes. Posting online does not protect us. Pwede kang makulong. Or if there is a conflict or misunderstanding, try to choose dialogue or choose the right channel. Not public shaming disguised as content. It's important that your post should be anchored to responsible choices. Well, I hope that helps. See you on the next one. Bye.